how to use our compact and rechargeable UVC lamp, the ROAM. Plug the charging cable into a working USB socket, adapter, or power bank. Plug the working USB cable into the ROAM. On the power indicator, a red light at the front of the ROAM tells you it is charging. A green light on the power indicator will appear, which tells you the ROAM is fully charged and is ready for use. To turn on the ROAM, press and hold the power button at the front for 5 seconds or until a blinking blue light appears on the power indicator. The blinking blue light means that you have activated the 30-second safety power on delay timer, and this will be your time window to place the ROAM inside the compartment you wish to sterilize. After the 30-second delay timer, the ROAM will start to emit UVC light for 30 minutes, showing a solid blue power indicator. After the 30-minute disinfection cycle, the ROAM will automatically turn off by itself. Allow another 10 minutes before opening the compartment you have just sterilized. Now you can have the peace of mind that your items are free from possible infections. If you have any questions, feel free to message us on our Facebook page or visit our website www.viodefense.com.